Accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Well, good morning, everybody. We are tracking some light snow showers here across our southern tier counties, waiting to see if these would reach the ground. And as we mentioned yesterday, a little light snow out ahead of the main event tonight is possible. Now, most of the high-resolution guidance has sort of backed off on that big, long band we showed you yesterday. But I'm still going to mention the chance that there could be some stray snow showers or some light snow today, despite the fact that most of us should remain quiet. So here is New Oxford at the Conewago Valley School District in Adams County, where it looks like it was snowing on the radar. So far, we're not seeing much activity. We do see plenty of clouds. How about in Gettysburg? Same deal in southern Adams County, where that snow's showing up. It's not reaching the ground, and that was part of the other problem we were trying to determine, is we felt the air would be too dry at first for this to happen. So far, so good. We do expect sort of a quiet day before the ice moves in tonight. Hummelstown at 32. Temperatures very marginal this morning at 31 in Gettysburg, 28 in Lewistown. Some colder air up on the mountain for Marysville at 27. We do expect temperatures to sort of sit right around 30 to 32 degrees. That's where they are in the bigger cities. We will see some 20s here in some of the rural spots. But right now, temperatures right around 30 degrees and are a bit cooler than yesterday. You'll notice not a lot cooler. We can see Baltimore, Hagerstown, Altoona, a 30-degree drop. That front that came through yesterday, that's why it was so breezy, did its job, and it did bring some cooler air. But we're not all that much cooler, because most of us yesterday were in the upper 20s. In fact, the airport got to 29. Yesterday's high, how about 47 degrees? It felt like a pretty nice afternoon, well above the normal, which is now 40. Still no rain yesterday. We now have about a 2.5-inch deficit. Here's Willow Hill, also looking quiet. We are expecting temperatures to sort of hover around that 32-degree mark. Temperatures are going to be very marginal throughout this whole event, and that's going to make or break any ice accumulations that could occur overnight. So temperatures around 32, a little bit breezy later on. But out ahead of this storm, there still could be some frontogenesis light snow developing. We can sort of see that band taking shape that some of the models had projected yesterday. We'll see if it comes to fruition, and if it does, there could still be some light snow or snow showers in places today out ahead of this storm. Now, the really cold air is sitting up to our north. The really mild air is sitting to our south. Look at Bowling Green at 46. And guess where good old central Pennsylvania is? Right in between. Again, marginal temperatures. We mean temperatures either side of 32, which makes for a tough forecast, and that makes for some wintertime slop. So the cold air and high pressure to our north, the low is to our south with some milder air, and then right in between we get this frontogenesis forcing, we call it, right along the leading edge of the front, which could produce some light snow in spots today. I still think most of us will stay quiet, and then the storm moves in tonight. So if you're headed out this evening, things should be okay. Cloudy, maybe some snow showers after 8 p.m., but I don't think this thing gets cranked until after midnight. So let's watch. A lot of clouds around today. Again, maybe some light snow or snow showers in spots as temperatures sort of hover around 32 degrees. Look at, here's 11 o'clock. Again, maybe some sleet pellets or a snow shower. Most of this storm comes in after midnight in about a 6-hour window. Here's tomorrow at this time, and you'll notice temperatures in the 20s, heavy sleet, steady sleet tonight. But look at by 8 a.m., we start to warm above freezing already. Some of that sleet and freezing rain will transition to plain rain showers, and by 10, it's just showery. Temperatures are warming up. We should see highs near 40 tomorrow afternoon. The whole thing exits by lunchtime. So here's what we can expect. Some stray snow showers or light snow today. I still think it will be fairly quiet before 8 p.m. And then tonight, the brunt of this storm will occur between midnight and 6 a.m. Steady sleet. Some freezing rain will mix in as temperatures hover just under 32. And then tomorrow morning, sleet and freezing rain will make for an icy start, but they will change over to rain, and then temperatures warm above 32 degrees by the middle part of the morning. So winter weather advisories, a mix of sleet and freezing rain for us. If we're worried about significant ice buildup, that's going to occur over the Laurel Highlands. Likely not here. Doesn't mean things won't be slick in spots tomorrow, but any significant ice buildup looks to be to our west over the mountains. A little bit of a breeze picking up overnight, and then, of course, the breeze will pick up here again as the storm exits during the day tomorrow. And again, Friday behind the storm looks pretty breezy. So that's a wrap on the forecast here for the next 2 days. Cloudy today, maybe a couple of snow showers at 33. Tonight, steady sleet. 28 degrees. That will make for an icy start tomorrow, but I do think temperatures will warm up fairly quickly with highs around 40 by the afternoon. But Allie, look, we have more coming Saturday and then again next week. So there's no rest for the weary.
No, there is not. Thank you, Brett. We'll be right back.